what's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. In this video, we are going to be doing a collage pair of jeans or a junk jeans. I don't know what to call them. I made a pair of this before. I made actually a sweatpants and a sweat top. In a previous video, or my first vlog that I actually did on this channel. So we're gonna do something similar to that. This person hit me up. It was like,
hey, can you make these for me?
Her boyfriend plays for the Steelers, and so it's like, of course, let's do it, let's make it. So she gave me a pair of her jeans already, and then she gave me a bunch of fabric that she wants me to use onto the pants as well. So we are about to see what she got us, and then, you know, kind of place them on the pants where we want them, and then sew them to the pants. Let's get it, let's go. All right, y'all, so it looks like we got 2 bandanas, a towel, t-shirt, and a jersey. We're gonna cut some of this up and start placing it on the pants, and let's see what we're working with. So now that I got all of my pieces cut out, now all I'm gonna do is just kind of place them onto the pants, figure out where I want all the pieces to sit or lay, and then I'm gonna use some spray adhesive to spray on the back of the fabric, put it onto the pants, and then we're gonna take it up to the sewing machine. All right, y'all, so I finished the pants. I'm not sure how much I recorded. I kind of just was in my zone trying to get the pants done, but this is what it's looking like. All patchwork, all sewn on to the pants. I got these other 2 pieces from the jersey, so I still have this 95 and then the front 95 of the jersey too, but it's over there. And I'm trying to think of what else that I can, you know, kind of put together for it, and I am probably thinking another tote bag. So I'm gonna end up working on that, placing that together, see what fabric that I got that I can use, because it's not gonna be big enough. I guess it don't need to be a huge tote, so let's make that. Apologize, y'all, I only got this one light, one little desk, I don't even overhead light. My other big light ended up breaking, and the bulb popped and the wiring came out. It's crazy. But I got this 95, and I'm gonna take this 95, cut this out, make a nice little, you know, little tote bag, little cute little, you know. All right, y'all, so for the purse, or for the tote, I have both jersey cut out. So I have the 95s, and then I cut out, I literally don't know what fabric this is, but it is a thicker fabric that I'm gonna use for like the inside of the tote. So cut those to size for the 95, and then I did cut out 2 20 by 4s that I'm gonna use for the straps with that same material. So what I'm gonna do is actually take the 95, place that face down, and then I'm going to sew all the way around, leaving a little tiny corner unsewn, so then we can flip it inside out. All right, y'all, so I got the pieces sewn all together. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on top of each other and sew all the way around, and leaving obviously the top part open. I got that sewn together, but before we actually turn it back right side out, we are going to make the straps. So we have our 2 4x20s. All we're gonna do is just fold it in. Fold it in half, like 2, and then we're gonna fold that in half, and then we're gonna end up sewing straight down on both sides to make our strap. All right, y'all, and just like that, we got the nice, cute little bag that matches the pants. Let me know what you guys think of this combo. Leave a comment down below. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on that post bell notifications to be notified every single time I post. stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.